Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create folders on home screen on Xreal Beam Pro. To do it, you need to press and hold on an app, then drag it over another app you want to add to the folder, and you can see these both apps are in the folder. I can add more. Now there are more. You can see that this folder comes pre-installed, and if it has more than 9 apps, then you can slide through pages of this folder. You can click on a folder, edit its name here, and you can also remove apps from the folder by pressing and holding on them, then dragging them out of the folder like that. And when you remove the apps, the folder is deleted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.